Today, Infosys MD and CEO Vishal Sikka has decided to resign. I will not get into details as to which is public in public domain as to why he has resigned. But I think reading the overall development, I think it's not a big issue as it is made out to be. It's our reading. It's a clash between possibly the way probably erstwhile Mr. Murthy managed Infosys and with lots of transparency and lot of responsibility, and I guess the clashes between the difference of opinion between both the erstwhile promoter and the existing promoter Mr. Murthy and Mr. Sikka. So even though Sikka has resigned as MD, but he is still a part of the company. So it reflects that the issue is, I think, more to do with one-to-one basis and personal, not company specific. As to the financials, Infosys management board of directors have committed that they will remain committed to the milestones that they have set up under Mr. Sikka, because that's something company specific and not related to individual per se. So the numbers shouldn't be impacted to that extent. Attrition is something which possibly could be managed, I guess. The board is possibly looking out for a new CEO, and until that happens, I think the stock will be under pressure. But from an investor's point of view, the stock was already very attractive earlier before the fall happened. It was already available at 15 times FY18 numbers. And after the correction, I think it's still very attractive with dividend yield of almost 4%. And the management has decided to dole out cash also to stakeholders in the form of share buyback. Though that quantum and the valuation at which they do will define the direction of the stock. But I guess considering that Infosys always have risen above the crisis, and that valuations are attractive, industry-wide there's no specific problem. It's a company-specific problem which has arisen, and I think that will get resolved. So we maintain our buy with a target of 1179.